In addition to in-app navigation within PackageRoute, you can now use your preferred navigation app such as Waze, Google, or Apple Maps to run your routes. From navigation settings, choose the default navigation to suit your preferences. Scroll down and locate External Navigation. Enable this setting and select your preferred software. When you tap the Navigate button anywhere in PackageRoute, your preferred external navigation app will launch. When your stop is completed, seamlessly return to PackageRoute. iOS users can use the backlink provided in the corner. To clarify, this doesn't change the existing user interface or appearance for navigation and plotting. Instead, the underlying navigation will generate directions from your preferred navigation app. Have questions? Contact us through any of these channels. You'll always get the fastest response through text. Follow us on Facebook and join our ISP community. Thanks for watching. For more information and signups, visit PackageRoute.com.